Hi friends, today I am going to tell you the tips about broad edge calligraphy, and this video is for beginners. Please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Share to your dear and near ones. Let's get started. First, I want to tell you that how you hold the pen, then which pen you use. For beginners, you should use the Camlin ink or Camlin poster color, but you have to dilute it with water. I am using my homemade pen. If you want to know that how I made it, please comment in the comment section. There are some basic strokes that you should know for broad edge calligraphy. Let us see the strokes. These are the simple calligraphy strokes that everyone should know before they start doing it. Here are the some scripts that I have made.